Solid wood is a robust material with a natural beauty and tactility. When finished with oil, the surface is easily renewable, as the reapplication of oil can fairly easily rectify wear and damage. For daily cleaning, use a damp cloth or sponge with clean water, wiping down the whole surface as one. Do not concentrate cleaning or wiping on small areas, as this will cause the surface to appear patchy. Do not use spirits, bleaches, or any other chemical cleaners to clean the timber. For deeper cleaning and long-term general maintenance, apply black oil. It is advisable to reapply black oil every 6 months to a year. We recommend you only use products supplied or approved by De La Espada. Black oil is available from De La Espada as part of our black oiled timber care and repair kit. This kit includes 6 soft cloths, 2 scouring pads, 4 sanding sponges, 2 pairs of rubber gloves, and 250 milliliters of black oil. Before beginning, place a drop cloth under the item you intend to oil, and use drop cloths to cover any nearby objects. Be sure your clothes are protected by coveralls and your hands by rubber gloves. Ensure the product is level. In the case of a chair, which may have a sloping seat, place levelers under the back feet to level the seat. Using a clean, soft cloth, wipe the entire surface of the product to rid of any dust. Next, holding the closed lid in place, briefly shake the tin of black oil to mix the contents before removing the lid. Pour approximately 2 to 3 tablespoons of black oil onto the wood, more or less depending on the size of the surface being oiled. For large areas such as the top of a dining table, you may find it easier to work in sections. Here, we divide the chair seat into 2 sections to show how this will be done. Using a clean, soft cloth, spread the oil into the planks, including the edges, until black oil is completely covering the timber. Using a clean cloth, wipe the entire surface, following the grain direction to rid of excess oil. This process will start to expose the upper layers of the wood, thus showing the natural colour of the wood species, whilst preserving the dark pigment in the grain. After removing most of the excess oil, continue wiping with a clean cloth or the other side of the cloth you are using until you reach the desired tone. Try to seamlessly blend each area you are oiling, balancing the dark tone of the oil pigment with the natural tones of the wood species. Stand back and look at the entire product as one, ensuring that the surface has a harmonious, even tone throughout. If the surface is the desired shade, then the application is complete. Allow the surface to dry for 24 hours before use. If the surface appears patchy, try to lighten the darker areas by rubbing them further with a clean cloth. Once the dark patches appear closer in tone to the lighter areas, wipe the entire surface as one to further even out the colour. If the tone is too light, first allow the surface to dry for 24 hours. Then reapply the black oil. Allow 24 hours drying time between each oil application and before use. If the tone is too dark and the oil is still wet, continue wiping with a clean cloth. If the oil is already beginning to dry, then let it dry for 24 hours before using a scouring pad to lightly rub the surface with long strokes in the direction of the wood grain until the desired tone is achieved. Please remember that oily cloths can spontaneously combust if not disposed of properly. For light damage, scratches and stains on solid wood furniture, use the following procedure. Using a fine grit sanding sponge, sand in long strokes across the affected area, following the direction of the wood grain. To avoid an uneven appearance, do not concentrate the sanding exclusively on a single patch, and sand only until the mark is removed. Then, lightly sand the entire surface as one, using long strokes, again following the grain direction. Using a scouring pad, wipe the entire surface, following the grain direction. This will help to create an extra smooth surface. Reapply black oil by following the procedure in the applying black oil portion of this video. For deep scratches and dents, a steam iron can be used to raise the wood fibres of the solid timber before reapplying oil. You will need a steam iron filled with water and set to the highest setting, one thin lint-free cloth, such as a J-cloth, and a bottle of water. Pour a small amount of water, approximately 1 tablespoon, directly onto the dent. Place the cloth on top, then add a further splash of water to saturate the cloth. Use the steam iron to gently iron the cloth, being sure not to let the cloth get too dry. Add more water as needed. You may find it helpful to angle the iron into the dent slightly as you work. Periodically lift the cloth to check the progress you are making with the dent. Then replace the cloth and continue to iron, being sure to add water as needed until you are happy with the results. Be patient, as the wood fibres will raise gradually. Once satisfied, use the dry cloth to wipe the excess water, then allow the patch to dry fully before following the procedure in the applying black oil portion of this video.